Hey there. Today we are talking about rests. And the idea with a rest is a rest tells us not to play. Or another way to think about it is a rest is a certain amount of silence. Let me show you what I mean. Here is our little melody. Okay, one more time. Now, every note duration has an equivalent rest. And I will get to that in a moment. But for right now, the quarter rest looks something like this. It's a squiggle. And all that means is it's still worth a quarter note's worth of space. We still count the beat. It just tells us that there is no sound, there is no note playing during that note. And so here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. Okay, so number 1. 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Number 2. 1, 1, 1, 2, 2. Okay, or 1 rest, 1 rest, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. And that's what a rest is. It's the same as a note. It's just that it's telling us when not to play. So from the biggest to the smallest, we have the whole rest. And we have the half rest. Now, notice I didn't write a clef because it doesn't matter. Any clef, it's going to be same. The whole rest is a rectangle, filled in rectangle, that hangs down from the fourth line. The half rest is the same thing, but it goes up from the third line. Don't get these confused. Some students say, a whole note, it sounds like a hole. So this is like you dig a hole, and so that's the hole we're looking at. Or the half rest looks kind of like a hat. If we were to do it like that, it looks like a half. Whatever works. Now, remember, we have a whole note and we have a half note. Which one is bigger? Right, the whole note. So that's the one that hangs down. It's heavier. There's more time in it, I guess. I don't know. Then we have the quarter rest, which we've already seen. Then an eighth rest. 2 parts to it. It's got the flag and it's got the stem here. Notice it's on that third space there. So 16th, remember when we had flags for the 8th note and then a 16th note? Same thing. 1 flag for the 8th rest, 2 flags for the 16th rests. If we wanted to do a 32nd rest, it would be 3 flags, but that gets kind of hard to draw, and it doesn't happen, too terribly often. These are the ones that you really need to pay attention to. So, whole rest. There are 2 half rests in a whole rest. There are 4 quarter rests in a whole rest. There are 8 eighth rests in a whole rest, and there are 16 16th rests in a whole rest. And that's how rests work. Have a great day.
Bye.